Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back, and today we are going to discuss how to create a trigonometry table. So let's begin. And you don't have, by creating this particular method, you don't have to learn the trigonometric table as it has most of the students do, but you don't need to do that. But what you need to do, just follow this video clip and you yourself will be able to create it by yourself. So let's begin. First let me write out some angles. That is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. It's 90 degree. I hope it's visible on your screens. Fine. Now here I am going to write trigonometric ratios, whatever they are. What are they? Sine, cos, tan, cot, sec. I'll keep some space between so that you can easily see how they are being created. So let me keep some space on that. Okay, sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. Okay, so this is our thing. So what are we going to do? First of all, remember, I hope the board is visible, and let me put it a little here so that it's more visible to you all. Okay, fine, I hope this is visible. So after cosec I can have some, actually I need to have some rough work for a little while. So I'll do rough work here so it's visible on the screen, and after a while, once it's done, I'll repeat. Okay, so for right now I'm doing what here, some rough work. Okay, so while creating a trigonometric table, what do we need to do? We need to follow just one simple formula, you can say, square root n upon 4. Now what we will do, by using this particular formula, we will be creating first our trigonometric table, just a sine theta, and then automatically everything will become, and I will tell you how the working will go. So first we will take n to the value 0. Okay, first we are going to start with n values with a 0. So if we talk about that, so 0 upon 4, what it will create? See, always remember when your 0 is on numerator and something is there, so automatically it will give 0. Okay, and when 0 is in denominator, it will give what? Infinity, it will be undefined. Okay, so it gives 0. So sine 0 is 0. Okay, now what will happen? Now what I am going to do, I am going to change now from 0, what will happen? N will go to 1. So 1 upon root, square root 1 upon 4 will be 1 upon 2. That will be sine 1 upon 2, 30. Then n to the value we will going to take 2 now. So 2 upon 4 will be treated as 1 upon 2. Fine, because it will be cancelled by the table of 2. So it will become what? 1 upon root 2. Okay, that's fine. I think it's been understood to you all. Now what will happen? N to the value will go to 3. Okay, so 3 upon 4 will give root 3 upon 2, because 2 2s are 4. It will come out and root 3 will be root on 3 will be there. Now we will have n to the value what? 4. So 4 upon 4, it will give 1, and we all know square root 1 is equals to 1. So it will become this. Fine. Now what happened? Our sine term is being created. This is the rough work. Now I am going to rub this particular part so that rough work is being done. If you want, you can take a screenshot right now. So for the formula, okay, how the things, once you will give some sort of concentration to this particular formula, now you will remember how the things are working. So this is the total working we did. Now how we will create? Now what happened? Our sine theta is being created. Okay, sine degrees are being created. Sine degrees angles are being created. For cos, what we will take? We will take barely from here and put it here. Okay, see, sine 90 will become cos 1, and we are take this particular value and put it here. Okay, inverse. Root 3 upon 2. Then sine 45 and cos 45 will be the same, because we have only in odd. So what will happen? See, 30 degree, 0 degree, 30 degree, 45, 60 and 90 degree. Okay, so what will happen? Our 45 degree is in middle, so let it be, it will be same. Okay, then sine 30 will come here and it will become what? Cos 60, and 0 will come here. Fine. Now your cos is being created. Fine. Now what we will do, we will go with 10. Next is 10. Now there's some little bit working for 10 theta, and let me put this rough up here a little bit. We all know 10 equals to sine upon cos. 10 theta equals to cos theta. 10 theta equals to sine theta upon cos theta, we can say. Okay. So same way we are going to create this. Now we will create, see what I told you, when 0 is in numerator, the value will become 0. So we don't have to do working over here. We will do here only or directly. If we need some space, we will do it here. So 0, when 0 is divided by 1 gives 0. See, now 1 upon 2, see 1 upon 2, root 3 upon 2. So 2 will be cancelled. Fine. And it will become what? 1 upon root 3. 1 upon root 3 it will become. Okay. 1 upon root 3. Fine. Now we can see it will be cancelled. So it will become what? 1. And we know root 3 upon 2 divided by 1 upon 2. So 2 will be cancelled. It will become what? Root 3. And now remember, when 0 is in denominator and something is there here is 1. If it could be any number, so what will become? It will become undefined. It will be undefined. It can be infinity. Okay. So okay, I'm not writing dash over here. I'm writing infinity so that you can remember. Now, this is how your sine tan theta is being created. Now for creating what? Cot theta, we will do same thing we did with cos. We will take this values and keep on putting on cot 1. So it will become 1090 will become cot 0, root 3, 1 upon root 3, and it will become 0. I did nothing with the cot. Whatever the 10 was being created, I just put these value here. Inverse. Okay? Fine. Now, one more thing. Now till cot it's being created. See, for sec can be written as 1 upon cos theta. Okay? Sec can be written as 1 upon cos theta. So, one value we will be keeping on con and cos value will become 0. Okay? Fine. So, what will become? 1 upon 1 will become 1. Then we will have, so 1 upon 1 will be 1. So, now what we will do? 1 upon root 3 upon 2. So, what it will become? 2 upon root 3. This 2 will go up. Fine. Now, next we have 1 upon root 2. And keeping it on 1. So, it will become what? Root 2. Fine. So, let me shift this one a little bit here. So, 2 upon root 3. Fine. It will go on this and numerator will change into denominator. Now, I'm going to rub this part and I hope it's visible. Okay, fine. It's not visible. Let me a little bit shift a little bit so that I hope now only cosec is left, so we will do it. It's not a big deal. Now, what we have cos 1 upon, see, 1 upon 1 upon 2. What will become? It will become 2. Fine. Now we will have 0. 0 will come in what? Denominator. 0 will go in denominator, and I already told you when 0 is in denominator, it will become what? Infinity. It will become what? Infinity. Now for cosec, we will do the same thing. We are doing for cos, cot, and cosec will be the same. Same way. Put it here. Fine. 2 root 2, 2 upon root 3, 1. This is how our trigonometric table is being created, and this is what the working, how the trigonometric table works, and I hope it's clearly visible to you. It's written sine. I hope it's quite small. Let me write it properly so that it's visible. It's not sine. Okay. Sorry for that. And let me increase some pause. Okay. I hope now it's more visible. And fine. Let me change the font size. 10 cot sec, and this is what? This is cos sec. So alright everyone, we created this particular table by using a simple formula, that is root n upon 4, square root n upon 4. By that we created sine, and then cos will be the inverse of that. Okay, 10 we created by sine upon cos theta, sine theta upon cos theta, and cot ka we all know 1 upon cos is 10 theta we have created, and for the cot what we did, we put the value inversely. And for the sec, what we can say, sec is 1 upon cos theta, and it is being created, whatever the values was there where we just of cos, so what we did, we put the value 1 upon that, fine, and we calculated. And for cos sec, what we did, sec inverse values we have taken, sec 90 become cos sec 0, then sec 60 became cos 30, cos sec 30, and sec 30 become what? Okay, 45 was the same, and cos sec 30 become cos sec 60, and sec 1 sec 0 degree become what? Sec 0 degree become 90s of cos sec. So I hope the table is being created. This is how the trigonometric table can be created. I know some, like, it has been about 12 minutes and the total working we can say, but once you will start doing it by yourself, I promise you will be able to create it within 2-3 minutes max 3 minutes it will take. And you don't need to have to remember every figure, you just need to remember its way how it can be created. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Be connected and stay healthy and stay happy.